TM Innovative Solutions.
Website design layout. Let us quickly have a look at our demo website. Everything here is displayed on our home page. Everything looks great, but our only problem is that we have our contact information on top of our navigation bar. Footer section. And standalone contact page. Web Traffic Analytics. If your website is hosted on cPanel, AW Stats, Advanced Web Statistics, is there to help you analyze your web traffic, of which comes very handily for your lead generation reports. Each and every user's information and behavior is collected for internal data analysis. We have a country of origin and visitor count. IP addresses. Files requested from our host. Or index page will always appear because that is your home page, but should users develop interest further, other pages will also appear here. This is why you need your contact page as a standalone. We then have users' operating system and web browser. Search engines we generate some of our traffic from. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that you don't miss out on our next video.